I've been doing some research and I realized that there's a way white people treat love. I mean, they can die for love anytime, anyhow. Like a white woman will be in love with you and you'll be like, oh baby, I love you. I'll show you that I love you. Yeah! Just kill themselves because of love. Example, Titanic. Leonardo DiCaprio, you met this girl once, slept with her once, ship is sinking, let the girl die. Nah, he said no. He was on a piece of wood and he was like, oh baby, this is a critical moment. I want to let you know that I love you. Come on the piece of wood, when I die, you know I died for love. And he died. Simple. He turned into ice block and he died. Which Ghanaian man in his right senses? Which Ghanaian man? Like a Ghanaian guy will be on a piece of wood. This is what he will say. Hey, baby, when you're critical. And we are not going to talk about the possibility. We don't know that. No Ghanaian guy will do that. Look, even my dad won't do it for my mom. Serious. And you know, this same love issue. I mean, we are still on love. Broken hearts. I mean, you watch in the movies, you see these black American dudes giving their girlfriends broken hearts, and they give you with swag. They go like, yo, LaQuisha, you know, I've been doing this thing with you for a long time, you know, we done, you know, I don't want this shit no more, we done. Yeah, we done. And he just leaves. Look, there are 4 tribes in this country. You cannot give them broken heart and go through. 4 tribes, women, and go through. Number 1. Like, Mutumi now be like, I mean, you implode, you will finish like implode. I mean, I'll be there. Who she won't pay me, you, and I'm curious, they won't pay me. Who pay me, you, Baba Kakaji. The second tribe, girls. Bunch of men. Opa will go to Akoko and be like, Akoko, you let a small door and you can wait back. Akoko will be like, Okamini, only I fell here. Only I fell. You can you can no flow hit on Samaja, who hear the Bakono, Okameka, or Shaba. Still means small. Oh yeah. Now the third tribe, fancy girls. One thing I like about fancy ladies, look, when you break their hearts, if you are not careful, you will really fall in love with them. Like, Papa will see Kuku and be like, Kuku. I'm a checker, I'm a popium, I'm a dopium, I'm a jay. People will be like seriously? Like, darling, you're a jay. I mean, that's you. Come with you. Come with hips. Come with me. And pet, no blame was or boy, and Pamela Pama. Simple. Now, the 4th tribe, my tribe, every girls. No tie. Look, other girls are as meek as a lamb. MFA or forgive. She will not forgive you, I'm telling you. You go to her and be like, forgive me, she will be there. Okay. She will go. But look, you finish school, you send resume around, CV, cover letter, application letter, whatever, nothing. No process. You see, when I came that you are supposed to clap for me, you didn't clap. Now that I'm fooling you, are clapping. And ladies, I want to ask you folks a question. Why is it the guys into believing what we see is what we get? Like, sometimes they hit their breast, put some baby oil on top, to be shiny, they put the crucifix in the middle. Big one, you know, sometimes I saw this girl, big breast, oh, big ones, big one. I'm like, hey, Charlie, slave boy, flat here, big here, hey, Charlie, too. I approached this girl, I spoke to her, we got to know each other. After some time, I'm like, hey, Charlie, tonight, hey, I'm for download. Now look, I was undressing, this lady was undressing. When I turned, hey, the breast I saw was like my grandmother's breast. Flat! Hey, wait. Easter just passed away. Have you watched Jesus film? Have you seen that flat, Last Supper bread? That was how the thing was. Flat. Look, don't trick us. We beg. We beg. Okay? Now, there is this thing I hear. You say, "Map and pass it for." Maybe you. May pass it for. One FM. Oh, child, I'm serious. Do you love me? Am I holding a knife? Okay. Now, I'm not a sports boy, but I'll do this joke before I leave. I realized this when I was watching movies. White folks have a way they treat sex. Like, when the girlfriend comes home, the boyfriend will lighten up the mood with some candles, and you know, some music will be playing. The girl will come in, she sees the mood, she puts her leg. Come on, baby. Simple. Look, they will play romance 1 hour and have sex 5 minutes. Finish. Ghana boy. Hey. Look, the only time he will light up a candle is when the lights are off. ECG, people. Finish. A Ghana guy, look, by the time you call him, baby, I'm coming to your house today. Immediately you drop the call, he has roots. And a Ghana guy romance for where? Look, a Ghana guy will romance you for 1 minute, have sex with you for 70 hours. He wants to try all the styles he has seen in a porn movie. Doggy style, goat style, froggy style, alligator style. It's not you. I have an experience. That's alright. Alright, thank you very much. Nice having you.
This a girl show me love before me love me never see. For the winter but me feel like a the Hamilton. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan. Me a got a hitty like a boy cardigan. This a girl show me love before me love me never see. For the winter but me feel like a the Hamilton. This a girl pretty for me like Coca-Cola. Pixel love the all run faster than